Hi everyone, and you're welcome to our lesson number 77. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson we will solve rational equations. All right, let's dive into it. Now we have an equation x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 plus 1 over x squared. 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. Well, we'll start off first of all by factorizing the quadratic equation in the denominator of our second part of the left-hand side of our expression. Now, this means this expression will become x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 plus 1 over, now we need to have two parentheses here, which we have to multiply together. And using our experience before, since we have x squared here with 1 as its coefficient, so in which each parenthesis we must have an x. And we have a 3 as a coefficient at the end, and so we have to have a 3 here and a 1 here. But since we have a positive 2x here, it means this x must be positive, and this 3 must be positive, and this 1 must be negative, so that we get a positive 2x. And this is equal to 1. Next, we now try to kind of simplify what we have. And we can do that by multiplying through by x plus 3. So if we multiply x plus 3 by all the components of this equation, this first part will remain as x plus 2. Then we have to add 1 over x minus 1. And this will equal to 1 times x plus 3, which will be x plus 3. All right. Next, we will now multiply through by x minus 1 so that we get rid of this denominator here. So this will be x plus, sorry, it will be x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 plus 1, because 1 over x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 will give us 1, will equal to x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 1. Now, we will move ahead now to multiply out our parentheses. So, x multiplied by x will give us x squared. X times negative 1 will give us minus x. 2 plus x will give us plus 2x. Then 2 times negative 1 will give us negative 2 plus 1. And this will equal to x times x will give us x squared. X times negative 1 will be minus x. Then 3 times x will be positive 3x. And 3 times negative 1 will be negative 3. So we then move on to simplify. Now we have x squared on the left-hand side and also x squared on the right-hand side. So those two can cancel out. And then we have minus x plus 2x will leave us with 1x positive. And then minus 2 plus 1 will leave us with minus 1. And this will equal to minus x plus 3x will give us 2x. And then minus 3. So what we need to do here is to isolate x. And we first do that by adding 3 on both sides so that we get rid of this 3 here. So when you add 3, we are left here with x plus 2, and this is equal to 2x, right? Um, so after we've added that 3 on both sides, we now have to subtract x from both sides. Subtract x minus x will remain with 2, and minus x, this will be x. Sorry, this will leave us with 1x, which will equal to 2, and that will be our final answer. Okay. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.